In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to access Ninja Forms display settings. Ninja Forms is a very simple drag-and-drop form editor. You can use this plugin to create any type of forms for your website. First, you need to install and activate the Ninja Forms plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, go to Ninja Forms and click on Dashboard. As you can see, I have some forms created here. I'll just open this one. Now go to Advanced Settings, click on Display Settings. Here you can change the form title. You can choose if you want to display the form title or not from here. You can clear successfully completed forms from here or hide them from here. Then you have the Advanced Settings, which you can skip. Then click on Done and publish the changes. And if I open this form now, you can see that the form name is changed. This is how you can access Ninja Forms display settings. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.